everyone, it's Carolyn. Welcome back to another video. If you are new, then I would like to thank you for checking out my channel. I usually post a cooking or meal prep video every Thursday, and today I thought it would be fun to switch it up a little bit and do sort of a fun cooking challenge. So I saw this video on another channel called Mercer Mama. I will link it in the description box below. And in that video, she had her husband go to the grocery store and come home with 5 or 6 items, and she had to create a meal out of it. And I thought that is such a fun challenge, and I would love to give it a try. And it might not really seem very challenging to a lot of you, but to me it really is, because even though I love to cook, most of the time, probably 90% of the time, I'm following a recipe. So I'm not one of those people that just pulls some things out of their pantry and whips something up. I meal plan very meticulously, and I follow recipes from Pinterest and my cookbooks most of the time. So this is going to be a really fun challenge, and when I decided I was going to do it, I immediately thought of my friend Paige. She has a motherhood and lifestyle channel here on YouTube too. We both love to cook, and we have a lot of cooking content on our channels as well. So I reached out to her asking her if she wanted to collaborate on this video idea, and I'm so excited that she said yes. So she's going to be doing this video too, and I just know hers is going to be amazing, because not only does she love to cook, but before she had her kids, she was actually a head chef at a restaurant. So I know that whatever she makes is going to be amazing and delicious, and I'm going to have to try to recreate it immediately. So when you're done watching my video, make sure you head over to Paige's channel. I'm going to link it in the description box, of course. And while you're at it, why not give us both a big thumbs up on our videos and subscribe to both of our channels, because we are both small YouTubers, and support like that really means a lot to us. So I got my cocktail. It is Saturday night. My kids are in bed. I'm going to see what is in this bag of groceries that my husband got at the grocery store, and we're going to see what we're going to make. Okay, so open this up. So, item number 1 is this soy vi Asian barbecue sauce. It says it's a marinade and sauce. Absolutely luscious honey drizzle. Luscious honey drizzles into savory soy sauce accented with sesame seeds. Gives your barbecue a sweet kick in the yum. All right, so we got a little bit of flavor that we can work with. Next, I have a head of broccoli, it looks like. Okay. Then I have a package of water chestnuts, a can of water chestnuts. I have a package of ground turkey. And then I have an eggplant and an onion. And that's everything. So, let's see here. Immediately, what comes to mind is to make some sort of stir fry. I mean, I'm obviously getting some Asian vibes here from the sauce and the eggplant and the water chestnuts. But this is what is throwing me off. I've never had a stir fry with ground turkey. Usually it's chicken or shrimp. So I don't think that would really taste good, or maybe it would, but it would just be sort of weird. So I forgot to mention that in this challenge we are allowed to use pantry items. So just sort of any pantry staples that we have in our pantry or refrigerator, things like spices or other items like that we can use. So I'm thinking I am going to grab some quinoa and sort of make this into an Asian type casserole. I do something a little bit similar. I have a barbecue chicken casserole, and maybe I'll just do a little twist on it and make it sort of an Asian barbecue turkey casserole. So let's hope that this turns out good, because I don't have a backup plan and it's already getting sort of late. So let me start by grabbing a few more things from my pantry and we'll see how this turns out. So I'm gonna start off by preheating the oven to 400 degrees and getting my quinoa going. So I'm just doing a cup of quinoa to 2 cups of water. I'm gonna let this come to a boil and then I'll cover it and let it simmer for 15 minutes. I have washed all my produce, so I'm chopping it up in a pretty small dice. I'm gonna add it to this bowl and I'm going to toss it with some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Once it's all seasoned, I'm gonna spread it out on a baking pan and let this roast in the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now I am going to dice up about half of this onion and I will also mince up 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. I have a saute pan already preheated. I'm just gonna spray it with some nonstick spray and add the onion and garlic and cook it until the onions are softened. To the pan, I'm gonna add the brown turkey and break it up into pieces. I'm gonna season it with salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes and let that completely brown. Now that all the ingredients are prepared, I'm going to combine everything in this bowl. So I'm adding in the ground turkey mixture, the roasted vegetables, the quinoa, and I also drained and chopped up that can of water chestnuts. Now I'm just going to add in a bunch of that Asian barbecue sauce and mix everything all up. I'm gonna spray down a baking dish and add the whole mixture and spread it all out so it's even. Then I'll top it with some panko breadcrumbs and drizzle a little bit more of the sauce on top. Then I just popped it back in the oven for about 20 minutes until it's cooked through. Overall, I think I did pretty good with this challenge. The casserole tasted great and my husband said that he really liked it. I think if I would make this again in the future, I would probably just use teriyaki sauce. The combination of the Asian flavor and the barbecue sauce was a little bit weird, but again, it still tasted good. I would love to know what kind of meal you would have made if you were given these ingredients, so leave me a comment and let me know. Please don't forget to go check out my friend Paige's video. I am so excited to see what she has come up with. Her channel and video is going to be linked in the description box. I will see you guys on Sunday with another video. Bye!